All right, here we are, off the bike training tips. Here's the thing, if you don't have fitness off the bike, it's not near as fun, it's not near as safe, and it's just downright not good. So we're gonna get into a few things that's gonna help improve your riding. Before we get into this, we have Amy. She works here at the MX Factory, also runs her own fitness coaching business and girls ride too. So she does all of our female riding stuff up here at the MX Factory, and she's gonna help us today give you guys some fitness tips.
So the three biggest things to focus on for training off the bike are cardio, weightlifting, and mobility.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna talk about is cardio. Why do we need to work cardio off the bike? Well, if anyone's ever put a heart rate monitor or done any testing on themselves while they're riding, they'll likely know that their heart rate is up on the upper end of what it could be. So closer to the maximum amount of beats per minute that their body can sustain. So what you wanna do is try to emulate that off the bike. There's a few different ways you can do that. You could run. It's winter time in a lot of these places where you guys are watching, so maybe that's not an option. You could ride an indoor bike or an outdoor bike. So some cardio on a mountain bike or a road bike works well. You could swim, or you could hop on a rower, and also ski ergs are good too, but they're a little harder to come by. So anyways, what you're trying to do here is just emulate what you're gonna do on the track. Now you're gonna use different muscles, so it may not, if you can sustain 170 for 20 minutes on a bicycle, it may not mean you can do that on a motorcycle, but it's gonna be better than not doing it. We gotta work the lungs, we gotta work the heart, and we gotta do that consistently, so when we get on the bike, we're not shell-shocked and not able to ride.
Yeah, adding cardio is the main thing. If you don't have any equipment, cardio is the best place to start. You can also throw cardio into your workouts, make your workouts more HIIT training, where you're doing something fast like burpees or sprints, and then you're picking up the weights and you're lifting, so you can get the most out of your time in those workouts.
All right, the second thing we're gonna talk about is weight training. Why do we wanna use weights? Well, because we wanna be buff. I don't know, when you take your shirt off, not you, Amy, keep your shirt on, but when you take your shirt off the track, you wanna look ripped. No, I'm just kidding. It's for safety, it's for getting yourself out of trouble, it's for being able to ride the bike more efficiently, right? We're squeezing the bike tight with our legs, the bike's moving back and forth to us. If our muscles are strong, and if the bike gets out of line, and we can correct that by what we would call like manhandling the bike, or in her case, woman handling the bike. The idea here is build strength in the right areas to keep yourself safe on the motorcycle.
And build strength in all areas. Like you were saying, moto is a full body sport, so you wanna make sure that you're balancing your workouts in with push exercises, pull exercises, and making sure core is a major component in that strengthening aspect.
Yeah, another thing to add, and if you haven't checked this out, check out like our positioning videos, like our perfect standing videos, and you'll understand we do explain a little bit in there how the body starts to relate to what those positions give you. So what muscles need to be firing in order for those positions to feel comfortable. But weights are definitely gonna help with all that.
So if you've ever been coached on a dirt bike, you'll know that form is everything. So it's same with riding, form is everything in the gym. Basic moves like push-ups, squats, pull-ups, deadlifts, and planks are all good foundational movements for riding.
All right, the last thing we're gonna talk about today is mobility. Probably the most overlooked of the three, right? We think that if we're working out, we think if we're doing the cardio, that we're gonna be fine. But here's the thing, if you're not working on your mobility, if you're not improving the way that your muscles, your tendons, your ligaments are working together and can move, likely when they go the wrong way, they're gonna either snap, stretch, or give you pain and discomfort. So you either can do yoga, which is what I like. Hot yoga is great, especially for men. It gets them in there long enough. You're trapped in a room, you're sweating, you're embarrassed because you can't do it really well. And so it helps your ego and also helps your body. You can just simply stretch at home for 30 minutes to an hour. Go on YouTube, find videos. Anything that you do where you're stretching is helpful. So yeah, you can stretch at home. You can do yoga videos on YouTube. I do that all the time. I'll just find like a 20-minute quick like hip mobility or posterior chain opener or whatever, and do that. And or you can just be awesome all the time.
All you need
not
is
stretch.
a tennis ball and a foam roller. And there's a ton of things you can do on your living room floor. But with mobility, getting into mobility is going to help you get into the right position on the bike and help you prevent injury as well.
So better position, no injury. Why would you not do it? So one thing that we're gonna do for you guys, if you sign up for our email list, which you can do in the description below, find the link down there, is we're gonna send you a full workout, something that you can do at home that doesn't take a ton of equipment, if any at all, to improve your strength, your mobility, and your cardio all in one workout, something you can do at any time. So make sure you click down there and check that out. If you like this video, we got plenty more videos over here. Don't forget to check out our Instagram. It's just at the MX Factory. Like, subscribe, and we also have a Patreon account where you can make super small monthly donations to keep this channel super rich. We're just super rich over here with all you Patreons. Just kidding. Go donate. Thank you. Bye.